We rev off with this one. 23-year-old Nicholas Taz Barnes was crowned the National Drift Champion on Saturday night at the Red Bull Car Park Drift Championship. Barnes was one of 20 drivers vying for the title at the Montego Bay Sports Complex at Catherine Hall. Karen Madden was there.
Watched by hundreds of fans at the Drift Championship being held for the first time in the Western Hemisphere, the Montegonian had near flawless maneuvers as he moved through all three rounds. Driving a 1986 Toyota Corolla, Barnes had scores of 265 in the heats, 270 in the semi-final round, and 270 in the final out of a possible 300 for each round.
As for the competition, it's 20 drivers that we always compete against each other. We had our ups and downs. Last night we didn't sleep, we got the car running, we had some issues in practice as everyone could see. We go home, we did our homework, we know the car and driver package is one, and as I say, we're not surprised about the outcome. We work for it and I think we 100% deserve it.
But the 23-year-old was always well aware he would have stiff competition, including from the man who taught him.
I'm an experienced driver. I mean, big drivers deliver at big moments. The competition was tough. I mean, the second place opponent is my teacher, Cliff Atty himself. I know it would be, if it's not me, it's him. But either we will be traveling together, no matter the outcome, because we're a team. But I know it wouldn't be easy.
Barnes will now represent Jamaica at the International Drift Championship in Saudi Arabia in November.
The car is there waiting. It's a car. I don't even know what type of car it is. So, I mean, that will be a challenge, but I'm on for new challenges. I don't shy away from challenges. So, we're just going with an open mind to represent Jamaica, and we'll see the outcome.
Cleve Cutter-Hype Otti Jr. ended second with scores of 269, 255 and 270. Sheldon Z. Boss Johnson was third with 222, 264 and 207, while Chris C.J. Addison was fourth with 252, 218 and 178. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.